Alright, the Priority 600 ships without the front rotor installed, which means you get to do it yourself, which is pretty awesome. So the rotor is attached with 6 screws that take a bit of a star attachment. I'll put a link to the tools I used in there. And I went ahead and also used a thread glue called, can't remember what it's called, but I'll also put a link in the description to that, just so that those screws don't come loose. Oh, it's called Loctite, blue Loctite, while we're using this wheel. And I made sure that this rotor is orientated correctly to the direction of rotation of the tire, and keep in mind that the brake caliper needs to be on the left side facing forward of the bike. I also used a caliper to take a measurement of the rotor's thickness when it's brand new, so that as it wears down we can gauge when it needs to be replaced. So it's about 1.7 millimeters thick brand new, and then we'll see what it is when it's replaced. The last thing I did there was add the skewer that the bike shipped with through the wheel, and then I installed the wheel. Thanks for watching. Bye.